Hey, welcome to new video. Rohit Gaikwad this side. Once again, you are real estate consultant, coach, speaker, and published author. Hope you are enjoying the series. This series is basically for the beginners only. Real estate professionals, expert, entrepreneurs, and real estate aspirant can enroll directly to lead generation blueprint and lead generation mastery courses through my official website rohitgaikod.com/courses. So in this video, part 4, we are talking about the new classified portal clickindia.com. See, I am going one by one and making video of 10 to 15 minutes because you must know the process and available tools platforms for the free lead generation. Later on, we will cover the paid real estate portals, but I would like to start you for the free one with the free one. And let's begin here. I am continuing with the classified portals, that is um, clickindia.com. This is similar like the OLX and Quicker or Sulika.com. We had a video earlier. Let's begin. I'll directly go to clickindia.com. You just need to create an account, or let's begin with the free property portal. I'll do here my name. I'll Sheet. I am using this email for tutorial purpose only. Do not send your emails, proposals, or any important communication through this email because I don't want to continue this email for my serious work. This is only for the demo purpose, and you can contact this number for in case you have any query related to real estate. City we already selected पुणे पुणे हाँ ठीक है sign up. So it's asking for the OTP. I'll just check it. It's 5535. Okay, they have accepted our registration and we have our own dashboard. Right now, we are continuing with the free listing post free ad. Here you have to select the real estate, then you need to select the see each and every portal as per your my observation, and you are watching this video, you will get a different option. So beginners or freshers might get confused because of multiple options here. I'll continue with the land deal because earlier we have covered commercial, residential, and now we'll go for the land plot sale. So you will get a idea how you can post multiple properties with the these classifieds. You can post anywhere, but they have some advanced and some basic, we can say, criterias or categories, and we have to continue with the land for sale. Okay, land for sale, agriculture land for sale. See, here only they have subcategories like agriculture land for sale. What you will get to know, because here we will face many different questionnaire, that is pre-filled with the platform. So we have to answer the questions asked, or the fields they have. So I have here you will get upload unlimited photos. So I don't want to upload any photos, so I'll go with the one business card, my business card. That's it. Total price I'll keep it 10 lakh rupees. 1 crore rupee. Area, we are dealing with the agriculture land, so I'll mention in acres. So 1 acre here, one, two, three, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Title, you can say clear title land for sale at वाशी मुंबई. ठीक है. at at the rate, I don't think they'll allow us sell at. We can put character only. Here we can submit our description like it is. Additional info is optional only because it is not applicable to this thing, car parking. And post as an individual post ad. Enter valid location. Okay, location is Washi. No, no. Here we put the city as a Pune, so I need to mention the locality as Lonavala. Then we need to check the change the ad title as Lonavala Pune. Sorry, I forgot the selected city, Pune. Now you can post ad, enter a valid ad description. We kept it as blank, so make sure it's a 1 acre, 1 acres, 1 acre, clear title, agriculture land for sale at NH4 Pune. So let it be. I am putting the details. Just say your ad is under review, so you can post multiple ads. Click India, you will get a good response rather than all the these things, we can say, other classified portals. And you will get a genuine leads also. I'll show you real estate. Okay, I'll do this one. And select city, we'll select Pune. Okay. Uh, for an example, I am choosing Pune. Otherwise, the rest of India will say every time I go with the Pune only. Don't get it wrong. I'll. It's a habit because I stay in Pune. I work mostly in Pune, but I do cater other proposals all India, like metro cities: Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Surat, Ahmedabad, Delhi, Indore, and all tier 1, tier 2 cities. But mostly when it comes to listing and all, I list Pune proposals only. So here we can add our business in their local directory. You, you can continue with that, like your company name, your company address, telephone, and all, and you get inquiries. I am looking for the leads. Earlier, they have this section called direct leads. So I were looking for. Let it be. I don't want to continue with that. And here we have posted the listing our property. And once it get approved, it will visible to all people and you will get started receiving leads. So hope you enjoyed this video. It is a short and sweet, and hope you will follow all these steps. Or shall I do one more listing? I'll show you one more listing with the different property. So here real estate we have selected, and I'll go for the um, house for sale. Okay, here I'll post, upload the photo. Let's say quicker. I know my account going to be a blocked one because I am uploading competitors photo. Here I'll put Mumbai, Mumbai, Maharashtra. Okay, total price, uh, let's say 5 crores. House for sale we have chosen, and 4, 6, 7. Area square feet, it is asking 2000 square feet. For example, we can say furnished 4 BHK for sale at Bandra. Example, here we can say luxury villa for sale at Bandra, Mumbai. For specifications, contact me on the number given mentioned herein. Done. So I am keeping it short for a tutorial purpose only, otherwise I'll write a good description. See, description must consist of your basic things like your area. It might be a built up area, carpet area, or combination, or you can say covered area. Your parking, elevators, open space, amenities, specification. Amenities is outside facilities provided by the builder or developer. It like be a gym, we can say swimming pool, clubhouse, and garden, play area, uh, like this one. And the specification I am talking about here in is inside your premises like CCTV, indoor video phone, we can say solar or marble, electric fittings, CP fittings, and we can say paint, color, furniture, whatsoever, white goods we can say. So that's it. We need to see here, we have to mention the additional details because we are posting here house for sale. Earlier, last this listing, we were dealing with plotting um category, so there was no furnished unfurnished thing, but here you should mention additional info. I'll go with fully furnished here. The number of floor third, and property is 1 to 3 years. Car parking, yes, we have two car parks, let's assume. Post an individual, post ad. See, our listing gate posted and it's under review. I know these both the listing will get rejected because I haven't posted any real things. They'll go through it and they'll found my photos and video, this thing, competitors logo, and they'll reject my ad. You don't do these things. 5 warnings. Okay, view all. Review property age missing field. Okay, let me fix now. See, they are showing you these things. Okay, okay, that earlier we posted land deal, and that's why they were asking for additional info. That's it. I hope I have covered the listing basic knowledge. We'll continue with the next video. Here, Rohit Gaikwad once again, your real estate consultant, coach, speaker, and published author. Happy real estate. Bye bye.